You ready? No. See, locking that don't help, does it? Nom nom nom. Banana? Get the banana, look. Where'd it go? Here, get the... She said, where'd it go? Get this one. Get it. Get it. Aren't you going to pick it up? You try to pick everything else up. She said, I want to know where the other one went. Maya, look. Pick it up. I don't understand you. Everything you find on the floor, you pick up and put in your mouth. Here, Maya. It's stuck to your hand. I wondered where it went. You're such a silly girl. It's stuck in your hand. What do you think about that? That's banana. How do you feel about banana? It's okay? Oh, you don't know? See, this is working on my picking up skill. Or we can just let it stick to your hand. Put it, what are you throwing it for? Put in your mouth. Ah! Maya. You just gonna play with them? Ah? Put it in your mouth. Yum 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 yum. Ah, yum 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 yum. It's sticking in your hand. Let me see. It's stuck to your finger. Look. Look at mommy. How many do you have? No. Hold on. You can't do two. Just one. Look. You cheater. Use your hand. Maya. Good girl. Good girl. No, now put it in your mouth. You are so stubborn. Yum yum. No? You ain't having it? Good girl. Big girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Those are okay to put in your mouth. Mine stuck to your face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, girl. Is it good? It's stuck to your face. Baby, let me get off your face. Oh my goodness, some things are so sticky when they get wet with your slobbers. Come on, you can do it. Pick it up. You give up? Come on, you can do it. Are you done? We all done? No control over the hands. You get excited when you hit a bag, though. Here's some dry ones. Maybe you can pick those up. You're knocking them on the floor, baby. Look, you have one stuck to your finger. Look. Look. They're sticking to you because you're getting them all wet. That one's dirty. That one's yuck. Yuck, yuck. Yucky. Ew, that's yucky too. Ew, ew. Yeah, these are yucky. Look, here. You act like you're not sure about it. Is the texture funny? But do you like it? Do you like it? Look at them little leggies. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah? He said num 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 num. Let me see. Ah. Okay. All gone? You want another one?